Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to install CarPlay in your Porsche Cayenne. So guys, I made this table over here so we can better understand that more. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your iPhone guys and just simply go to the settings. And once you are on the settings, just simply go to general and just simply go for CarPlay. And now just simply go to your Porsche and just simply go ahead and select the car and select Connect Apple CarPlay. And from there, just simply select your vehicle on your iPhone once it is available. And just simply click on it to pair. And just simply confirm the pairing. And after that, just simply click on Accept in the infotainment system. And from there, guys, a pop-up will show up. And just simply confirm the terms of use. And just simply tap on Yes. So guys, once you have the Bluetooth pair, automatically Apple CarPlay will open and pop up into your Porsche screen. And there you go. See ya.